Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find a cigarette lighter, also known as power outlet, fuses, relays on that generation Jeep Cherokee from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. If you need something, you can get it, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The cigarette lighter fuses relays, they're also known as power outlet fuses and relays. Let's explain where you can find them. By the way, you have some hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel. That's guys called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Guys, check it out. It's a video people told us save them a lot of money and trouble. What do we need to do today? Lucky for us, we need to open the hood. Why lucky? Because we'll be working in a fuse box that's easy to get to. Facing the engine, it's on the right side. Okay, this is the driver's side. See these tabs, press them together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse, okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse, sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it, so always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, here we'll need to check multiple components. Okay, we might need to zoom in a little bit so we can clearly see that. Okay, let me see. So we get the whole fuse box so we have an idea where we are working. But the first cigarette lighter fuse that we will need to check is known as fuse number 60. Coming guys in this, okay, let me show you now. In this row of fuses here, okay, this row of fuses we're talking about fuse number 60, that 20 amp fuse right here that you will need to check. 20 amp fuse. Then you need to guys locate two more, and one of them is fuse number 75 guys. So 75 now, okay, if you come, it will be this fuse right here. That's fuse number 75, 20 amp fuse as well. After that we need to check one more. We're talking about fuse number 91. Now 91 guys will be this fuse right here. See that one? That's the one that you will guys need to check. So those are the main fuses. You don't have relays. The relay function is practically controlled by the body control module. So if you have problems with that, you may need to check body control module, BCM, fuses, relays, and you may need to reset your BCM as well. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.